Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to switch your Instagram personal account to business account. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's get started our video. First of all, launch on your Instagram application, and after that you need to go your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and here you can see this is your Instagram account. And if you want to convert it personal, if you want to switch it personal account to business account, what should you do? Today I'm gonna show you that. So let's get a start. First of all, tap on the top right corner three line menu bar option. Here you can see this is three line menu bar option. Just tap it, and then you need to tap settings on the down, and after that you get a option account option you get. So finally select this account option, and then you need to scroll down. After that you get a option switch account. Here you can see switch account option, switch account type. So just tap it, and then you get a option switch to business account. On the first one, switch to business account. So simply tap on switch to business account, then confirm it, switch to business. That's it. Now your personal account is switched to business account. So guys, in this way you can switch your account to business account. You can switch your Instagram account business account, make your Instagram business account very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.